Hey, wonderfully amazing humans, let's go through this test question. If x equals 6, which inequality is true? So I have two ways to solve this. I can solve each inequality to figure out which one would make it true, or I can substitute in, which is honestly what I'm going to do because I feel like that is easier, or I guess more simple. So, -5 minus 3x, but now I'm writing 6 in parentheses, so I know to multiply. I know 3 times 6 is 18, so -5 minus 18 should be greater than 10. Well, I honestly don't need to keep going because I know same signs add and keep. So -5 plus -18 is -23, and that is not greater than 10 because a negative is not greater than a positive. So F is not my answer. G, -3 minus 5 times 6 has to be less than -14. Well, I know 5 times 6 is 30, so -3 minus 30 is less than -14. And again, same signs add and keep, and honestly, even if it was subtracting, my -30 is less than -14 because it's further to the left on the number line. So it looks like G is my answer. But I am going to solve the other two just to be sure and prove that G is my answer. All right, 1 minus 2 times 6 is greater than 13. Well, I know 2 times 6 is 12, so 1 minus 12 is greater than 13. Well, that turns out to be -11, right? Because 1 minus 12 is -11. And again, negative is not greater than a positive, so I know H can't be it. Lastly, J, 2 plus x is less than -3. So 2 plus 6 is less than -3. Well, again, a positive is not less than a negative. Negatives are less than positives. And 8 is not less than -3. So I know J can't be true. Therefore, yes, G is, in fact, my final answer.